Hey, check out the latest Vivo V25 Pro. It sports a 3D curved screen and a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus P-OLED display that supports a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 300Hz touch sampling rate. So from afar, you can already differentiate the Pro variant as it has a curved screen. It also features a flagship chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, 12GB plus 8GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of internal storage. Besides that, the V25 Pro is powered by 4830 mAh battery that supports 66W flash charger. It also has a 32MP selfie snapper and a triple rack camera with 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP. Oh yeah, take note that the color changing glass is only available for the Serving Blue edition. As for the price tag, it is priced at 2,499 ringgit. With Digi Postpaid 120 plan, you just have to pay 69 ringgit for a month just to take this baby home. Well, that's the latest phone from Vivo. So how can you miss out the latest TWS, which is this TWS Air? Featuring 25 hours of battery life with just 10 minutes of charging time, it can last up to 1.5 hours. Speaking of features, come with Deep X 2.0 sound effect, dual mic call noise cancelling that deliver up to 45% noise reduction, a 14.2mm speaker driver, Google Fast Pair, touch controls, and intelligent interactions such as Find My TWS. So, are you interested in getting this V25 Pro and TWS Air? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and peace out. Bye!